Iran has developed a new Shahed-107 attack drone for Russia's war of aggression, featuring technology to detect British and American multiple-launch rocket systems. The Shahed-107 was described as an explosive and reconnaissance unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, possibly fitted with technology to seek out high-value battlefield targets such as British and American multiple-launch rocket systems used by Ukrainian forces. A Sky News source said that a few units of the specially designed drone may have been offered to Russia as part of the deal, estimated to be worth more than $2 million dollars, 1.6 million pounds. The source noted that this is evidence of the significant force design work Iran is engaged in to support Russia's interests regarding Ukraine. The article noted that the Shahed-107 belongs to the Shahed-101 family of uncrewed aerial vehicles with V-shaped tails. It measures about 2.5 meters long, has a wingspan of 3 meters, can be launched from a vehicle and is estimated to have a range of up to 1,500 kilometers, 932 miles. A source told Sky News that it was thought to be equipped with a transmitter for real-time video transmission. Such reconnaissance capabilities mean the drone could be used to identify targets on Ukraine's front line for other UAVs or weapon systems to hit, the TV channel pointed out. The TV channel's sources in security agencies reported that the Iranian security forces had tested the Shahed-107 together with the Russians at an airbase in central Iran. If confirmed, defense experts said the development by Iran of a new drone would underline its growing military manufacturing capabilities and its importance to Russia's war effort, Sky News stressed. Furthermore, according to the TV channel's sources, Russia expects to receive high-precision surface-to-surface missile systems from Iran shortly. In particular, these are missiles with a range of over 300 kilometers, 186 miles. Iran has become a global drone powerhouse as countries around the world copy its technology. Russia has become increasingly reliant on Iranian drones to fight. Iran can easily bypass Western sanctions and buy electronic parts from Asian suppliers. Iran's stealth drones and their copycats are popping up on battlefields from Ukraine to Sudan, making it a standout in global drone warfare and raising concerns about increasing military instability around the world. In the past 40 years, Iran has emerged as an expert in low-tech drone warfare thanks to decades of Western sanctions that forced the country to innovate weapons production by any means possible. Countries around the world are now increasingly taking inspiration from Iran's drones. Bloomberg reported this week that at least 6 countries had ramped up production of Iranian drones in the past 2 years, bringing the total number of countries producing drones with Iran's help to at least a dozen. The issue has become of particular importance as Russia becomes more reliant on Iranian tech to produce its drones for the war in Ukraine. Iran maintains that it isn't selling drones to Russia, but documents and extensive reporting indicate otherwise.